In this video, I will discuss about the optimal commodity purchase in case of quasi-linear utility function, which is linear in x1. So in an earlier video, I discussed the problem of finding optimal commodity purchase in which the utility function was in linear in x2. So this is also a quasi-linear utility function, but this is linear in x1. Consider an example, the utility function as x1 plus 2 times the square root of x2. So other parameters are same. The price of first commodity is 10, price of second commodity is 20, and the consumer's wealth is 1000. So we know that in this case of quasi-linear utility function, in which the utility function is linear in x1, the indifference curve will look something like the almost vertical lines. So the indifference curve will look like this. So indifference curve 1, indifference curve 2. So there will still be a tangent solution. So we find the marginal rate of substitution, which is the marginal utility of x1 divided by the marginal utility of x2. So this is 1 over 2 times 1 by 2 under root of x2. So marginal rate of substitution is simply square root x2. So comparing this with the price ratio, MRS is P1 over P2, we get square root of x2 is 10 over 20. So this gives us the optimum commodity purchase of the second commodity as 1 over 4. So now by using the budget constraint, P1 x1 plus P2 x2 equals total wealth. This is 10 x1 plus 20 times x2 is now 1 over 4 is 1000. So from this we can find the value of x1. We can find the value of x1 by simply simplifying this. This is 10 x1 is 2 4 5s are, so this is 995. So x1 is 99.5. So the optimal commodity purchase is x1, x2 is 99.5 and 1 over 4, which is 0.25. So we can have a graphic intuition of this optimal commodity purchase by plotting the indifference curve of the utility function in a graph. So in this graph, I have plotted the indifference curve and the budget constraint. So the indifference curve will just look like a very steep curve, and the consumer's equilibrium will be here, almost in this corner, but not exactly. It is a corner solution because the consumer consumes at least some quantity of both commodities. So the consumer's equilibrium is this point 99.5 and 0.25. So in this quasi-linear utility function, since the utility function is linear in the first commodity, the quantity consumed of the first commodity will be larger and the quantity consumed of the second commodity will be smaller. And thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for watching more videos.